Hello everyone, welcome back to SK CAD Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in SolidWorks software. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel and support me to do the more videos. Select extrude here, select the front plane, create one circle, diameter 20, create one more circle, give the dimensions 90 mm, select this circle, here select for construction, select here center line, create center line like this, give the dimensions 90, (45), select circle here, create two circles, give the dimension 20 and this side also 20. Create circle again tangent to the dia 20 circle. Trim entities, trim the unwanted lines. Select this and this, give the tangent constraint, trim this line also. Here delete one dimension, next select circle, create dia 40 circle on both sides, give the dimension 40 mm, you can give the equal constraint. Select circle again, create one circle, here also create dia 40 circle. Next select here 3-point arc, create arc like this, give the dimension 15, trim entities, trim the unwanted lines. Select line or 2-point rectangle, give the dimension here to here, (30 mm). This is 15 mm. 7.5. Select this and join this circle. So that's it. Sketch is fully defined. Finish sketch. Here select the faces. Here select mid plane. Thickness we want 25 mm. Next select the right plane. Sketch. Create two circle here. Give the dimension 48 and 22 mm. So height this is 70 mm. Here give the tangent constraint. Select this circle and this face tangent. Next select line. Create sketch. Give the dimensions. This is 12 mm. Seven mm. This height is 35. Give the horizontal constraint. That's it. Sketch is fully defined. Finish sketch. Extrude. Select this circle first. Here first distance we want 7.5 plus 6 mm. Direction to 7.5 plus 16 mm. Next select the sketch. Extrude. Select this face. Here select symmetric mid plane. Thickness we want 15 mm. Control 7 for ISO view. So that's it friends. You can compare with the drawings. If anything is missing, you can leave the comment below. Now we can assign the material. Appearances metal. In the metal I will go with aluminum. You can assign material as per your requirements. In the polished aluminum. Next go to edit appearances. We can assign the any one color of this. So that's the today's session friends. I hope you enjoyed this session, and also I am requesting please do subscribe my channel and support me. Thanks for watching this session friends. We'll see you in the next session.